before?
Yes, ma'am. When me and her first got together, he came to her house one night and she had to pull me out of the road because he was going to run me over. And then after that, it's just been like smirks, comments, refusing to serve me.
Okay. Now, you have a protective order against Mr. Jackson?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I did not serve her.
Huh?
She's talking about serving. I can't serve her. I have to stay away from her.
That was before he refused to serve me. That was before we got the protective order, actually.
Oh, Mr. Jackson. I can't help you, sir.
Can't?
No, I can't help you. I think that you precipitated this whole event. I think that your actions precipitated this whole event. I think that maybe you have a little bit of a bruised ego, maybe a lot of a bruised ego, but you should have kept on moving. And if you had kept on moving, we all wouldn't be here, and you'd be $400 richer. And your car, which already looks like it's seen better days, would have had perhaps one less dent. Now, I'm awarding you $400 on your counterclaim to have the scratch on the car taken out. Your case is dismissed, that's all.
How does that experience? You'll step out. Judge Judy continues in a moment. And on the next Judge Judy.
You loaned him $800?
Yes.
So you let him move into your house?
Yes.
And he was supposed to pay you rent, and they didn't pay you rent?
No.
Another good deed, honey.
Next Judge Judy.
He came up to my window and started arguing.
Oh, I did not attack them.
And just talked a loogie all over his side of my face.
I did not put my hands on them once at all.
Yeah, I was really upset.
I didn't attack her.
It's nothing new with me.
I didn't think I was agitated.
Me and her have been dealing with it for the last year and a half.
Everybody else thinks I was very, very furious.
There's not much more that can be done about it.
I wish it could have got handled differently. A little differently.
So either he's going to stay away or he's not. He's going to go to jail.
Nothing. Stay far away from him.
Yeah, I mean, he's got a little pride issue now because he kind of did take his girlfriend.
No comment. No words.
So he's a little upset about it.
Coming up, a raid at low-money taxes. Why the IRS is clamping down. Plus, Ernie Freeman is live at Beale Street Landing. And Tom Dees, Mr. DeSoto County takes you to Jellystone Park. A local sub shop is donating life-saving equipment to the Memphis Fire Department.
Any more on the big announcement for Texas? It's going to happen tomorrow at 7 o'clock. I've been watching.
Lauren Johnson and Jason Gardner have more on tomorrow's big announcement on Good Morning Memphis. Fox 13 News at 5 starts now.